Okay there. So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The challenge at hand involves enhancing a video by adding English audio and subtitle tracks to an existing file that already contains Italian, French, and German tracks. The key here is to ensure that the final video allows for seamless switching between different language options. In essence, we aim to merge the English audio and subtitle tracks with the video to create a cohesive viewing experience. Quite an intriguing problem, isn't it? Now, onto the solution. The magic formula that can bring our vision to life is a carefully crafted FFmpeg command. By using the command provided earlier, we can effortlessly incorporate the English audio and subtitle tracks into the video file. The command structure is designed to efficiently map the tracks, ensuring smooth playback transitions and optimal performance on various media players. With a few simple adjustments and mappings, we can successfully integrate the additional tracks while maintaining the quality of the original content. In a nutshell, this command holds the key to seamlessly blending the English elements into the video mix. In conclusion, we've delved into a fascinating journey of enhancing a video by seamlessly integrating English audio and subtitle tracks. With the power of FFmpeg in a well-crafted command, we've overcome the challenge and created a versatile video file that offers multilingual options for viewers. It's been a pleasure exploring this solution with you. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Until next time, happy video editing.